Hi visitors, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up Quora Pixel on your website and how to create the event for Quora. So let's get started. So you can already see that I am landing on the Quora.com. So for the setup pixel, you have to go to your profile and go to Ads Manager. And after that, you have to providing your personal information to create the ads account in Quora. Then you have to find out this kind of interface. Then you can set on the menu pixel and event, audience, and lead generation. Then you have to create also a lead form and insert your website, and you can track from the Quora. And then here you can see the reporting also. And then for the server side, you have to set up conversion API for Quora. So firstly, we have to go to pixel and event and set up the pixel with our website. So then set up pixel. Here is a two option. One is install manually. Install manually, Quora will be provided the custom JavaScript code. You have to insert in your Google Tag Manager by using of custom HTML code. But in the second option, install with a partner, that will be the more easier. So I am selecting the install with a partner, then go to the next and see here we find out the pixel ID. So copy the pixel ID and back to our Google Tag Manager. So I presume that you are already know that how to create tag tagger variables in Google Tag Manager. If you do not yet, you can check it my YouTube video channel. Here you can find out that how to create all of that. So now I am go to the new tag configuration and find out the Quora, which today we want to set up with our website. Here you can see that Quora Pixel. So I'm clicking it, and Quora Pixel ID, I am clicking the plus sign because I am create the constant variable for that. In future, I have to create a more event, so I do not copy again and again. So I am create a constant variable for Quora Pixel ID. So click it and find out the constant. In the right side, you can see that constant, and as a value we have to put the pixel ID which we are copy from the Quora. So we just giving the pixel ID name, that is Quora Pixel ID. Save it. Here you can see that we are attached our Quora Pixel ID without tag. Then you can see the event type. Here is a lots of event: purchase, generate leads, complete registration, add payment info, add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout. All of event you have to set up with your website. So firstly, we have to set up the page view because we have to connect our Quora Pixel ID in our website all pages. So for that, we are firstly select the page view. So customer email conversion value, that is not necessary now. We are just connecting our Quora Pixel ID with our website. So finally, go to the triggering and then all pages. So here we bring the tag name, that is Quora page view for all pages. Save it. Now go to the preview option and check out that our Quora Pixel ID add with our website or not. So for that, go to preview and connect. And you can see that our tag assistant connected with our website. So back to our tag assistant, and then you can see that our Quora page view for all pages are tag is fired. So our base pixel or tag is fired. Now back to our Quora Pixel, and here the all of event are listed in the event sections and end of the page, and left side on corner you can see that our base pixel are activate. That means our base pixel are activated with our website. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will show you how to create the all of event with our website by using of Google Tag Manager. So thank you.